Well, good morning, folks. It's just after 10 here on the West Coast, and it's a beautiful day, as you can see. And this is kind of not a late mail call. I did the mail call when I did the mail call about receiving it, but I never did the mail call part about placing in the vehicle. And I feel kind of bad, but with everything that's going on and everything like that, I just either slipped my mind or I just haven't had the time. But it's to Hodgepodge Garage. I've had this sticker for, I don't know, at least a couple of months. I just haven't got my ass in gear and put it in the truck and everything like that. Like I said, with everything that's been going on. I know, excuses. But anyhow, I'll show you. I have found a spot for it. There was a sticker here from the Shade Tree Fix It Man, but it all deteriorated. So if he watches this video, could he please send me another video? And if he needs to, I will PM him my address, okay? Because I like his sticker, okay? So that's the spot where it'll go, okay? So I'll bring you right back as soon as it's up in its place with the rest of the stickers. Okay, bring you back. Bye. There we go. Hodgepodge Garage. You're up with the rest of the YouTube Garage Gang members' stickers. Okay? And they're all doing fairly well. It gets pretty warm in here, but they're doing good. This one's got a bit of a fade on it from second gen, but it's still there. Yeah. So, everybody, and there's some down here. Okay, well, I made a vid about I have to replace the steering box in my Ford F-250 because I can do nice turns going left, but going right, they're really hard. So I got a brand new steering box for it. Now I just got to put it in. So I'm going to get into that today. And like I said, I'd made a video about it, but I didn't like it, so I didn't post it. But I'll make another video about it, and I will post it, and I will show you what I'm up to. Okay? Okay then. Well, everybody, take care. Peace out, and build on. And I hope your family's well, and work's going as good as work can go. Okay, bye. Good afternoon, folks. It's another beautiful day here on the West Coast, as you can see. And just a little quick, I don't think I've ever done this, but I don't know if that'll come in very well. But if you can see that, that's Forbidden Plateau. Look it up, Forbidden Plateau. I don't know if it'll come in any clearer or whatever, I can't even tell. I got the sun in my eyes, so, but whatever. Anyhow, what this one's about is I've got to replace the steering box in my red and white Ford, because I can do left turns okay, but right turns suck really tight, so something's gone in it. So I'm in the process right now. I have here, I'll show you. I have the lines all disconnected. I think that's called a rag joint down there, if I can see it properly, right down in there. That's all undone. Now all I gotta do now is disconnect the tie rod end from the pitman arm, and then undo the 3 bolts that are, I don't know, you can't really see them, but they're kind of like right around there. So that's why all that power steering fluid is from, because it's leaking right up through there. But anyhow, yeah. So what I've done is, this is another old steering box that I was thinking at one time to put in, and it's original Ford. You can see the emblem right there, as is a new one. They're all just remanufactured. So see, they all seem to leak right from here. So what I had to do with this one, because what I'm going to do, like I said with that, is take it out, take the whole thing out, and then put a new one in. But first off, I'll put the Pitman arm on. And this is what I took off of this one here. So yeah, so I'm just gonna clean it up. I didn't think my little puller, whoops, my little puller here would do it. It was a bitch to get it in between here, because there was in between here and the Pitman arm, because there wasn't a lot of room. But I managed to get it in there, and it took me a bit, but I popped it off. So it's got a little bit of burr right there, but nothing you can really feel with your finger. So I'm just gonna clean it up, and of course paint it. I don't know why I always keep painting it, just a Pitman arm. And then I'll proceed to extract the other one. We'll take that one out, drop, like I said, separate the tire rod from the Pitman arm. And yeah, so that's my big deal for today. Don't know how much more I'm going to get done. But I got my little Ford Ranger drive around, so that's okay with me. So yeah, these are all scrap. I think maybe what I'll do is I'll take one of these apart just for the hell of it, have a look inside of it. There's not a lot in it, but what the hell. So like I said, that is my little update for right now, and later I'll show you the new steering box, but it's just the same as the old one, but nice and clean, doesn't leak. Okay, so like I said, I hope everyone's having a great day. It's beautiful here on the West Coast. Couldn't ask for anything better. Perfect temperature to work outside in. Okay, so I'll quit bragging about the nice weather we're getting, and I hope everyone's getting the same. The family is really well, and work's going as good as work can go. Okay, well, we'll talk to you all later. Peace out, and build on. Bye for now. Here's the new steering box. Yep. New as in totally gutted and rebuilt. Yep. This is what you get for 180 bucks Canadian. So, yeah. Like I said, no big deal. It's just a steering box. But yeah. And the Pitman arm can only go on one way because there is a wider spline right there. So anyhow, yeah. So I think my battery's gonna die. So anyhow, that's it. And then I'll put the new Pitman arm on that, and it'll be done. And then put her in. That'll be the heaviest thing, taking the other one out, because these things are heavy. They got to be 50 pounds. But anyhow, okay, everyone take care, and enjoy your beautiful day. Okay, talk to you later, folks. Bye.